Around in Kerala, officials say that they haven't received any official communication yet on the arrival of the vaccine ahead of that 16th January nationwide drive. However, they're ready to receive it. Sneha sent us this report.
Let's also quickly run you through to what exactly is going to be happening, how are they going to be taken. So this is the cold box.
First of all, when the vaccines comes in a bulk, we'll store it either in the ILR or the ice-lined refrigerators or the walk-in coolers.
Okay, so you were talking about the ice-lined refrigerators. This is what it is.
Will be happening here at the state store or the regional vaccine store inside this ice-lined refrigerators as well as the walk-in cooler.
Can you show us the white walk-in coolers?
We cannot open it actually. Okay. This is the walk-in cooler.
So this is the walk-in cooler that you see. We cannot open it. What's the temperature?
It is maintained at the temperature between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius.
Right.
And from there, we'll transport the same to periphery, that is the block level CHCs and primary health centers. And for large number of vaccines to be carried to a particular place, we'll have a cold box. This is the large cold box.
This is the large. Can you open this and show us the cold box? So what's the capacity for this cold box?
We can store up to, depending upon the vaccine, or in the case of polio vaccine and all, we can store up to 20,000 doses, and it depends on the vaccine which we are handling. Conditioned ice packs will be kept all around the surface, and we'll place the vaccine in the middle of this. It is not complete, but we'll pack it in such a way that all the ice packs will be covering the vaccine which is kept in the middle of this thing. It will be taken to the peripheral institutions, for example community health centers and the primary health centers, and from there it will go to the endpoints or the sub-centers or where that will be taken in the vaccine carriers.
This is the vaccine carriers. It's smaller in size, and this would take around 500 doses?
Yeah, roughly 500.
This would be again around 500. Again, this would be lined with the ice.
Yeah, you can see it here.
Are we ready to handle the vaccination drive?
Talking of the district, we are prepared, and we had no hitches during the past two dry runs we conducted in the last few days on the 2nd and 8th. And for the vaccine launch, we have been asked to select 11 sites, which has already been identified, and those 11 sites are all prepared for the launch on 16th.
When is that going to begin? That's the big question. No one has the answer at present, at least in the state, at the state level, but all preparedness on the ground to ensure that this would happen. Whether it goes from the state store to the regional stores, or whether from the regional stores to the district, is something that will have to be seen eventually, but preparedness on the ground. With camera person SP Babu, Sneha Koshri for NDTV.